like and subscribe. You just saw us build our brand new bee box stand. So we got 2 new beehives, 2 nucleuses of bees, and we're going to be putting them back in the bee boxes today and setting it all up on this stand right here. We're in the north end of our garden, and we're also going to electrify the area around the bee boxes, so we don't have any more bear attacks.
There's bears up here and they like bees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll go through the steps of what we're gonna do for the bees this year and get everything set up. There we go.
Good.
Mary is prepping the hives for 2 new nukes that she went and picked up with our lovely friend Judy this morning. And while she's getting this ready, I wanted to just chat a little bit about the little base that we put in here. You can see it. Basically just framed out with 2 supports in the middle, 8 feet by 22 inches, and left a little gap in between the shooting boards on top to allow for airflow and water to shed off and shed through. So we also mounted it at a little pitch going that way and at us a little bit, so just a little bit, just to get the water to shut off a little bit, so that should help with all of the things. So we are going to go grab the bees next, bring them out, and make them happy.
Yeah.
So honey, what did you do to prep for these bees?
Alright, to prep, we're using the same hives that we had from last year. For the winter we're going to make some modifications, but for the summer we're going to keep the same setup. In each hive we have a bee water feeder that works like this. The bees can crawl down inside these holes and walk along this, and then go down and drink the sugar water that's in there. Still making decisions on what I'm going to do for varroa mites and all of that stuff. I know we should treat in the spring and later again in the summer and probably again before fall, but I have to come up with a plan for all of that. So if you have any suggestions on natural ways, let us know, because I'd love to hear everyone's opinion on it, because there's so many different ways to do it and it's hard to make a decision. We like to keep things as natural as possible, but sometimes, I don't know. Varroa mites are a hard one to manage.
Also, as a side note, I believe the last video that we posted, Barry was wearing the same shirt. We do own other clothes.
I didn't know that.
It is true. We do not have a functional washing / drying machine set up right now. So we do go to the laundromat with the rest of the homesteaders.
Yeah,
but,
we do our laundry.
We do our laundry. She smells like a petunia. Anyway, we're gonna get Mary suited up in her snazzy bee suit here, and then go grab the Saskatraz bees, and we'll be right back.
All right, oops. We've got our beehives set up and our nukes ready. Got one on the ground and this one here. We're gonna put one in each box. I'm not sure how many frames are in each one. was a little confusing when we got them, but here we go. I don't even know if I need to use very much smoke. They look very docile, which they were very quiet in the car, and they only just started to come out like about an hour ago, so it's a really good sign. All right, let's get these going.
So these are Saskatraz bees, which I'm convinced are bees that originated from Saskatchewan and then escaped to Alcatraz. They're the only ones to escape to Alcatraz.
So it looks like we have some drawn out honeycomb. Nothing really on that side, which that's fine. And then as I go through, I'm gonna just keep an eye out for the queen. Oh, actually, I think I just found her. Maybe. No.
Oh yeah.
On the bottom right there?
Oh, I thought it was a different one.
No,
that
don't.
one right there. Oh god.
No, I think those are drones.
I'll be over here.
Yeah.
That area is for bee professionals only.
Got drawn out brood on this side, and there's actually a larvae hatching, which is awesome. The guy that we got them from, he said that he did not mark the queen, which is okay, but would make things a little easier. I'm assuming she's going to be in the very center. Oh yeah. Look at that right there. Getting a little angry, which I'm not surprised. They have a couple of drawn out queen after this, I'm gonna go and look up what it looks like when a hive is gonna swarm, because there are quite a few queen cells that are in the works. This one's very stuck. Oh, this is gonna be a heavy one. Oh my gosh. This is probably a 15-pound frame. It's glisten in this area, it's all honey. Same with this side. Oh, there's the queen right there, I think. Yeah. Yup.
Okay, I think I'm going to set the camera up and walk away because bees are getting pretty angry.
Okay.
Their pace has picked up quite a bit.
Yeah.
And they're starting to maverick me, give me flybys. So.
Yep.
All right, I'm going to set this up and get out of here.
Alright, on to the next one. It's gonna be very swarmy. So this is my second year having bees, so I'm by no means an expert, just learning everything. But from what I've read, so the way the kind of colonies work is it's like a big brain. So each bee is a part of the brain, kind of like our neurons. And the pheromones that the queen produces is what controls the cell itself. So the brain, kind of the whole beehive as a cell. This one's quite a bit more angry. There we go. Alright, let's get this one transferred over. I did not find the queen in the other one, which is unfortunate. Ah, there we go. I found her. Okay, I found the queen. She is right there. Kind of see that long brownish abdomen? Oh, I gotta be on me. She's walking right below my thumb. Okay, successful queen sighting number 1. That makes me happy. Alright, I'm not going to break these two apart. I'm just going to put them in since I found the queen. There we go. Alright, I'm going to set these boxes out front, in front of the hives. That will help the bees. That way they can crawl up and in the front hole. And they'll know where to go. They'll be able to smell the pheromones from the queen. And know where to go. Hi, Sadie. You having fun? Hmm? Alright, I was able to get each nuke in each of the hive boxes. They looked great. I was able to find one of the queens on the second one. I thought I found a queen on the first one, but it wasn't actually a queen. I think it was just a drone. But they look really good. They are not super aggressive. There were heavy frames, a lot of actual bees themselves, and there was drawn out comb, there was brood, there was honey, not much capped honey, just like fresh honey, and I think they're gonna do really great. This is a different type of bee that I've never worked with before. It's a Saskatraz. They originated from Canada, and they're designed for honey production and for winterization. So they are hardy up to -22 degrees, which is great for our area because we're in about zone 4 and we have very harsh winters. So I'm very hopeful with these types of bees, and I'm really looking forward to learning more about them and just getting hands-on and keeping track of them throughout the summer. I'm probably going to do another bee check in about a week, and then from there on out about every 2 weeks. And depending on how quickly they eat that sugar water, I'll probably remove it at some point because they don't really need it much during the summer. But again, I'm just learning, so if anybody has any recommendations or tips or tricks, please let me know, because I would love to hear them. But this is all we got for today. I'll update you guys if anything major happens, and we'll see you on the next one. To like and subscribe.
I've been loving you.